Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone cellular update failed error. So if you're facing this problem, then basically your cellular connection is not going to work properly, alright? And it's going to say update fail, and you just can click on error and you can just click on OK, but it pops up again and again. So the one way to fix it is to restart your phone. Sometimes simply restarting your phone should fix it. And even after restarting your phone, it didn't fix it. What you can do is slide from the right side of your screen on iPhone. And you can turn on the data connection by clicking on the antenna looking icon right beside the airplane mode. If that doesn't work, switch back to Wi-Fi again. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is go on your phone setting. And on your phone setting, go on general and go on software update. And on software update, and if any update is available over here, make sure to download and install that update. Sometimes iPhone shows you this problem because you have not yet updated your iPhone for a long period of time, and the bugs on your iPhone has not been able to be fixed due to not updating it, and it's causing this problem. So update your iPhone. Even after updating your iPhone, if it still didn't fix, what you can do is go on settings on your iPhone again, go on general again, scroll all the way down at this time and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and over here click on reset. And over here, make sure to click on reset network setting. What this is going to do is this is going to reset your phone's network setting, and it should fix your problem. If it doesn't, then this time come to general, come to reset, and this time click on reset all setting. All right. What this is going to do is this is going to reset all the setting of your iPhone. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If it is still not fixed even after resetting all your iPhone, then the only option you have is to factory reset iPhone. And even Apple itself says you to do that. If everything you have tried until now didn't work, then factory reset is the only way. Factory reset deletes everything that's on your iPhone and makes it brand new. So anything which you want, you need to back it up. Make sure you back it up and only factory reset your iPhone, because once you factory reset your iPhone, everything on your iPhone is going to be deleted. All right, so make sure to factory reset your iPhone and it should fix your problem. So yeah, that's how we guys can fix your iPhone cellular update failed error. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.